Okay, now we're going to add with different signs. So I spoke to you guys earlier. If we draw we call it like a circle, right? But it's not a circle. I guess a positive counter. This is positive one, and at the negative counter would be I'm sorry, this is positive one, and the negative counter is negative one. And what happens with a positive counter and negative counter is that they will cancel each other out. When I put these two guys together, they zero out. And we kind of do that here with our positive one and our negative one. They will cancel each other out. So I got positive four, 1, 2, 3, 4, adding to a negative 3. And in sixth grade, I like teaching this in sixth grade or going over sixth graders because this you kind of let them know this is 4 minus 3. But you were brought up as 4 minus 3, right? Which is what? 1. So really, at the end of the day, subtraction does not exist. It's really just the adding of positive negative numbers. That's all you're really doing. So 4 minus 3 is really the same thing as 4 plus negative 3. It's really what it represents. Ta-da! All right, so let's go to the next one. Negative 7 plus 5. Right? Hey, you owe me 7, but I got $5. So here I got negative 7. Let's see if I can do it. Bam. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5. If you can visualize it in your head already, you already know that the answer should be negative 2 because these 5 positives will cancel out or negate those 5 negative ones. You move 2 negatives over here. So it's negative 2. And eventually later on, the teachers will teach the little rules to that to kind of know what to do. I never do the rules because I want the kids to develop that rule themselves. So here I'm going to draw the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus negative 3. 1, 2, negative 3. And this action that I'm doing here, we actually model in kindergarten. We add and subtract numbers. We do, it's called canceling out, or the action of subtraction, which would be the cancel out these pairs. We just don't tell the kids that they're doing, positive and negative numbers because they're 5. And no way you can do it is line it up like this. Like, check it out. Line it up here, line it up here, line it up here. And I could use the boxes to line up better, right? But sometimes I don't draw that good. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I line them up, right? My 7 negatives, my 5 positives, and I do that number right there. That's like kindergarten math. The kids learn when they're little. So this is positive 1 here. This is negative 2 right here. And eventually they'll see it. That's it, guys. Easy stuff.